please welcome the C43 replacement. It is the 2019 Mercedes AMG GTS. Alright, so we are here at Eurocharged Boston. So the tune file is ready. The tune file is on the handheld. And if you guys don't know what the handheld is, it pretty much allows you to revert back to stock and add the tune file whenever you want to. And now it's programming. This bumper and diffuser is what gets me. Like, the rear end of this car looks absolutely fantastic. It looked good before, but look at it now. So this bumper is actually carbon fiber, and here is the exposed carbon fiber. So I'm thinking the next modification will be the carbon wing, just to complete this rear end, and then we won't touch it anymore. All right guys, it's finally the day where we add some more aero to the GTS. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's actually pretty big. So this is the carbon fiber wing for the GT, GTS, and GTC. So over here, as you can see, there's this trim piece in the trunk. All you have to do, hey, that was easy. You just pop it off like that. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and took out the 2 screws. All you need is a T20. It's just like a tool kit that you can just buy on Amazon. Have 2 wires over here. All you have to do is just unplug it. There's a lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So yeah, let's get to it. Look at that difference. It's definitely longer and wider. Fiber, baby. We are going to align it with the trunk. Drop this. Bada bing, bada boom. 1 down, 3 to go.
.28 a.m.
All right, now time to do the other side. Well guys, we just removed this one. We still have to put this blow-off valve back on. And a couple minutes later, we are done. We have the blow-off valves back on. Alright, so here we have the package. I am so excited to be unboxing this right now. I've been waiting for such a long time. That heat shielding though. Now we're doing some flybys. Cameraman, just don't get hit. Is you remove your steering wheel. Obviously didn't show that, but I did that in a previous video. Alright guys, so here is the valve module from ASR, sold by X-Valve. Here are the 2 remotes. I already went ahead and disconnected the battery since we're going to be pulling some fuses. This is just some magic right here.
So we remove the trim piece that covers these two screws, and then once they're out, this is the trim piece. Once they're out, we remove these two screws, and then we lift up and pull back the center console to remove the cover.
There's no police around here, right?
Well, it's not the lack of police. It's the lack of ambulance is what you need to be concerned about. Honestly, this process will be faster if I was not making a manual at the same time.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So basically what the custom harness is, it's a Y cable to tap into the what's called the LIN bus of the car. Here's my magic box. This is a prototype box that we've designed. It gives us OBD interface into the car so we can do the programming. All right, do the honors now. Hold the button down.
Oh, let's go! This is my 2019 AMG GTS, and this is what it used to look like. Since then, we've done a ton of modifications to it, including new front splitter, the wrap of course, fully forged wheels, upgraded brake pads, full carbon wing, carbon bumper, carbon diffuser, carbon air intake system with blow-off valves, it's just underneath this cover, an ECU tune, exhaust modifications, but you can't really see that, as well as a fully carbon steering wheel. And my favorite one at the moment is this 9-stage traction control knob, found in the GTR, GTR Pro, and the GT Black Series. And we have a couple more things for this car, so get ready for those